Okay, we're gonna be playing Super Mario 64. Come on, Ben. Yay, Ben's here with us. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, Super Mario 64. Okay, anyways, I need to go in that picture first. I have that aim.
Okay, let's do it. Okay,
Yes, I know. Yeah. Oh wait, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Oh wait, you could have just went up there the whole time.
I could have. Oh my god. See, I was playing this last time and I was being dumb.
Yeah.
Can I jump on you, Goomba? Thank you. Wait, why did I earn a coin from that?
I will show you red coins. Okay, now I'm just going in some red coins.
Oh wait. Whoa, I didn't even notice this. I could have done this every time.
Oh yes.
So you didn't even know that was there.
No, I knew that from the Roblox game.
That makes sense.
The copies.
Yeah.
That was the impossible path.
That we could have just done this the whole time.
Yeah, got it. Hey, oh man. Might as well just go. Not that.
I'm gonna do some parkour.
Parkour, baby.
Okay, fine. I'll do this way.
Yeah, it was very cool.
I actually just muted this one and put on the select file song because I actually really love the select file song. I just ran into that.
Whoa. Oh, that was so close. Wait, I see a red coin over there.
Wait, what?
See, look at
over there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That is my second. Wait, why do I have 11 coins? I don't remember doing. What? Ah, what was that?
It was like a slime.
That was a bubble.
What the heck?
You do not get me! You do not get me!
Oh, wait, I just saw another red coin on top. I saw a red coin on top of his pillar that he's connected.
I know, but do you think I'm gonna do that? No.
Cause that is.
Why are those bubbles so powerful? Oh my god.
I know. Oh my gosh. Yeah. How do you just run away?
Yeah. I might.
Yeah, just run.
Where is it?
It's like banging the ground. Oh wait, I forgot coins make your health go up.
Wait, really?
Yeah. See, now you're full health.
I forgot that. No, wait, no. I didn't even say that. Are you okay?
Well, I was looking at the top of the screen. Okay.
Ah, no! I don't want to go down there.
What's even down there? I've never been there.
No, don't ask what's down there. That's where hell is. Actually, I don't even know.
Oh wait! Oh. Yeah. Break into hell.
Going. No! Oh.
Oh my gosh! Now you have to go up you have to go up the bridge again. Or the one that you want to. Hey, wait, you can. Oh, yeah. It's impossible to. I can just see the chain jump. So weird.
Over here.
Goombas are weird and poopy.
Especially in the Mario 64 version. They're weird.
Yeah, they literally look like turds with feet and eyes.
Ah! Oh wait, you're right. It did give me more power when I get more coins. More coins.
Whoa! Oh no, bubble.
Oh, there was a coin there. I saw that.
Oh.
Oh!
Just go.
Woo! Wait, can I see this?
Hold Z to.
Never mind. Actually, this is the crouch space bar when you're playing on computers.
Then jump and then you're able to.
Yeah, well, a backflip. Come over here, Mike. Come over here.
In on computer games,
Ah!
mostly on computer games, the jump button is usually space.
Yeah, I know.
It's weird.
I'm skipping all those things.
It's gonna be J because J
No, I think it should be spacebar.
Yeah, it's fine. Anyways, it's easier to get to because it's so good. Right?
Jump! Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Ah!
Oh!
I need more coins. Bro.
Oh no!
I'm actually getting triggered now, and I actually might die.
Yeah, just get rid of the bubbles.
You can't eat them. Ah! Oh my god, I'm on half the health. Why does the bubbles kill you? It shouldn't kill you.
Yeah, they look like little slime monsters that squirt out bubbles.
If I die. No. Mr. Beast challenge. If I die, I give you $1 million. Since I'm dead already, so. There was no coin in there. That just makes me triggered. Oh! What?
That's how you get to the boss. Wait, yes, another red coin.
I was only getting up there because of the red coin.
No!
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 Watch this.
Wait, remember that hack inside castle where you can hack
I'm gonna. Yeah.
You should try and do that. No. If I knew how to play it, I would help you, but I don't. Yeah, let's just go on that way. Why not, right?
Yeah. Ah!
Whoa! Wait, what? What just happened? He just made me walk like through the fence, right?
Whoa!
Wait, now what? Whoa, hi. Bye-bye.
Baba.
Imagine. Well, if I go inside the air.
I'm not mad at all. No, I'm not. I'm actually just gonna start playing Legend of Zelda. Shut up. This time we're gonna be playing Legend of Zelda. And I'm gonna be unmuting it. So there you go. That's some sound if you could even hear that. Ben? Right next to me.
Look what I texted you a couple days ago.
Yeah, I know. You got the Among Us hat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm not trying to get against some tickets.
no, don't. There's a chance of you getting hacked. No.
See, the only thing I bought was that top hat.
Wait, you bought a top hat?
Yeah, the double top hat. That's the only thing I bought.
Oh, I bought a whole pack and stuff. I bought.
Okay, well, you have to get you have to be more worried. I just wanna. Did I just say seriously? Yes.
I. Sorry. Okay, wait. Where's N? How do I not know where N is? Oh, there it is. Where's... Wait, no. Where's it? Finally. Ben, what? Do you want to watch me play Legend of Zelda? It's the ocarina thing. I heard you saying that looks cool. He's in bed. That's really what you do. Just kidding. What you do, actually. No, you watch me. Yeah, well, you don't wake me up. You look at me. That's creepy. Hey, I know. Wait, the green guy. I know him. He's a service member. Nubby, we're at Arcto. Come hither. None of that made sense. I'm just gonna skip all of it. Wait. Can we stop talking, Naughty? Bye, Navi. She went under Link's or whoever that elf's legs. Stop fake laughing. Bro. Navi's dumb. She just flew into the. Hello, John. Why is my name spelled like that? I spelled my name weird. Great Deku. Deku from MHA? Brr. Hey, come on. Yeah, I want to get out. I want to. Dude, why was he moving like a human? Why am I so fast? Just like what I said in Super Mario 64, I'm so fast. I'm not Sonic, right? Kokiri Forest. Okay, pretty cool. He's scary. No, stay away from me. That girl's scary. That girl's scary. Oh yeah. Shut up. I think she is. I think she's very scary. Dude, wait, we live in Tree's house? Tree houses? That's so cool. I wish I was Link. Huh? Hey, listen. Oh my god.